Present continuous passive is used when an action is happening, but the subject is not defined. In fact, it is a noun. Positive form is object plus to be verb. Am is are plus being plus verb, the past participle form. The fruits are being stolen. The flowers are being plucked. She is being attacked. The negative form is subject plus to be verbs. Am is are plus not plus being plus the verb. I am not being told. We are not being treated. The car is not being stolen. Question form is to be verbs. Am is are plus subject plus being plus the verb. And a question mark. Is the project being finished? Are the values being changed? Am I being transferred? Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily contents and listen. And you can also click the link up here. Note that no matter the lack of a subject, in this tense, you can use either transitive or intransitive form of the verbs. Okay guys, that concludes today's lesson. Remember to take notes. Tell me what you need for the next lesson in the comment section down below. Be sure to subscribe for daily contents and lessons. You can also watch my prior contents from here. I'm Steve and I'll be back with another video tomorrow. See you.